everyone. It is currently 6 a.m. on Sunday, and we're about to head to the airport to go on the Habitat for Humanity spring break trip to Monroe, North Carolina. My name is Kimia Eghbali. I'm a current sophomore at Babson, and I just want to take you guys along on the trip with me. So let's go meet up with the rest of the group. I'm with my group. If you guys want to introduce yourselves.
I'm Sarah. I'm a sophomore.
Okay.
I'm also a sophomore.
And we're currently just waiting for our Uber at Trim Lots. Okay, so we're at the airport right now. Let's go. We have a special guest. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Kimia. I'm very happy for this trip.
We're about to go on the aircraft, so we'll keep you guys updated. We have another special guest with us.
So hi guys, my name is Sofia. I'm thinking about concentrating in marketing, and I'm a freshman.
Yeah, so we're all on the plane right now. Here's Victor and Sarah. You guys want to say hi to the vlog? But yeah, we're about to take off. Hey guys, so we finally landed and we're at the car rental spot in the Charlotte airport. And I'm here with Natalie. If you want to introduce yourself.
I'm Natalie. I'm a freshman. I'm excited for this trip.
Yeah, so we're gonna get our rental car and then go to the hotel, and we'll see you guys there. So we got to the hotel. I just wanted to show you guys our room. This is just our room. We're gonna go check out some of the houses they've been working on, and then tonight we're gonna go out to dinner and meet up with the other Habitat for Humanity group that's coming from another school here. So I'll bring you guys along with me.
Subdivision to date, and where the road stops is where the subdivision has been since 2008.
Hey guys, so the guy was just explaining that this house and this house was built for two different families, and they're gonna move in a couple months, but they're still doing construction on them. Also, fun fact, both of these houses are brick houses and it's all been donated, so that's why they're in such good shape. So we're back in the hotel. I just wanted to come on here and explain the previous clips that you saw. So for the first clip, we were at a building called ReStore Habitat for Humanity, and it's basically a place where anyone can come donate any household appliances, you know, from like doorknobs to sinks to showers to chandeliers, and basically they just sell it at a very discounted price. And the first building is where they currently are at, and it's not enough to hold the high demand that they have, so they're expanding to increase their capacity, and they are moving to a grocery store, which is what you saw in the second clip, and they're going to be opening that up in June, and that's where they're going to move all the appliances they have currently and just expand on their capacity so they can accommodate for the demand that they're having. So yeah, and now we're going to be going to dinner, and we're going to meet up with another school who's going to be helping us this week with the Habitat for Humanity. Hey guys, so we're all at Walmart right now doing a late night snack run for the hotel. So we'll see you guys later. So it's currently 10:20 p.m. First day is over. I just went to the gym after dinner, and now I'm about to go to bed. And tomorrow we have to wake up bright and early, be downstairs 7:30 to go to the site. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's currently like 7:30. We're on the way to the site today. So we'll see you guys there.
So we're just going to the side, and today we're cleaning the front side. And the other team is working on fencing. Oh, that's Sienna. And they're over, I don't know, yeah, over there. So now it's 10:40. We just painted that pole and now we're scraping this one and gonna paint as well.
What are we doing?
We're delivering flooring from our Bilo building, which is our warehouse now, over to the resale store for a customer. And
Alright.
we're picking up drinks because we're thirsty.
We're thirsty.
There you
We're
go.
gonna go with the truck to go make this delivery, so we'll see you guys later.
So we just had lunch and now we're gonna have to move the furnitures, which should be really fun, and I'm gonna show you guys.
Right inside here, little lever. Just pull it.
There we go.
Let me know when y'all want to go home.
See there? I know you.
So we just got to our location of the day, and our first job of the day is cleaning windows. And the other group is like painting, so I'm gonna show you guys. So now I'm here with Sarah and Kimia.
I'm Sarah. We're just painting. Kimia is painting.
So we went to the hotel, we rested, and now we're going to dinner. So we just came back to the hotel, we're playing cards now. And that's gonna be the night. So we just got to the side. Here's Nat, she's already painting. And our first task of the day is doing the second coat of the doors. So we finished the doors, we had a break with donuts, and now we're painting this. And they're painting the walls. And that's it. I'm gonna show you guys the final result, but it's looking great so far. So now we finished the door, this, and the poles. Nat's still finishing it. So we had lunch and then we went back to do the second layer of this and the first layer of that, and now we're done for the day. Good morning guys, today is day 4 of the trip and last day we're gonna volunteer there. So we already arrived to the site and now we are gonna paint this. So we finished the other pole and now we just finished this one as well. So we were done with the front part, now we're like doing the second layer of the poles that we painted yesterday and the second layer of this as well. So we just had lunch. Some lovely ladies brought us some brownies and now we're gonna continue painting. So we just finished this. So what do you guys think about this whole trip? So today is our last day here in North Carolina and we're going to Charlotte to explore the city and I'm gonna show you guys everything. It's my first time there, so I think it's gonna be really fun.
Hey guys, so we're all currently in the city of Charlotte, and we're about to go to a museum, so we'll see you guys there.
So guys, after lunch we're friends and next activity is bowling, as you guys can see over here. Laser tag time with the red team.
Violet! 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 Papa!
Hey guys, so we are currently at a hibachi dinner. So we're just waiting for our chef to come, but we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Good morning guys, today is Saturday and today we're gonna head back to Babson and now we're heading to the airport. So now we are boarding. Oh my god, it's over unfortunately.
End of the trip.
Yeah.